Today we're going to talk about Stoic Daksh, who was able to gain over 40,000 followers in just 6 posts. This is the success story of Stoic Daksh and Aventus Growth, that's my consulting company. This project is focused on growing an Instagram account from 0 followers with the goal of eventually monetizing the account. The main strategy revolves around consistently posting engaging content to attract followers and increase visibility. The prospect has gained 40,000 followers in just 6 posts, showcasing the effectiveness of the content plan. The project involves creating content plan designed to spark growth and engagement without targeting any particular audience, aiming to attract a wide range of followers. And the solution to grow the account was implementation of strong tailored content strategy that resulted in rapid follower growth. Aaron, that's me, is the sole mentor involved, providing expert guidance through the process. The ultimate goal is to convert the growing Instagram presence into a monetized platform. That was Daksh before Aaron's mentorship. The challenge, number 1, no content plan. Failing to plan the content and having no knowledge regarding social media. Number 2, ineffective process, leading to missed deadlines and no accountability. Number 3, inconsistent branding, struggling to maintain a consistent brand message. Stoic Daksh quotes, "We were facing significant challenges with no real plan towards a strong personal brand. We knew we needed a partner to help us turn things around." Our solution, number 1, content plan for 1 week. Number 2, an automated workflow. And number 3, a brand strategy. Stoic Daksh quotes on the partnership, "From the beginning, Aaron took the time to understand our unique needs and develop a customized solution. The communication and support through the process was outstanding." This is Daksh's quote after the impact and the satisfaction. "The results have been phenomenal. Aarohan not only delivered on his promises but exceeded our expectations. We've seen a significant improvement in the amount of views and reach, and we couldn't be happier." This is Daksh's Instagram account right now. It may be over 45,000 followers right now, all because of the things that we've done to his social media account. And if you're ready to achieve similar results, let me help you achieve success like Daksh. Visit my website to learn more, schedule a free consultation, and download my ebook that's absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to get the ebook, and it will help you get to 1,000 followers because it's a blueprint that I've made myself. Thank you very much for your time and attention. We help businesses achieve success with tailored solution. Please visit our website, check out our social media. The first social media is my Clips account. The second social media, the second ad is my personal. The third ad is my company. DM us the word growth on any of these 3 to get started on a 15-minute free consultation call. Let's get started. Don't waste your time.